Hello and welcome to Time's Ticking. Today we're going to be talking about rotating bezels and what they're for. Well, a lot of people don't know what these markings are for, that it rotates, or that it's even a feature at all. Well, there are two different types of diving bezels and we'll go over that after this intro. When you break it down, the functionality of the rotating bezel is quite simple. Before divers enter the water, they move the marker on the bezel to a certain time around the dial before entering the water. They will then dive until the minute hand reaches the marker on the bezel, which indicates they're out of air and it's time to begin the ascent to the surface. This feature is mainly used to mark time. You can use it as a simple countdown or for simply keeping track of time, whether it's keeping track of how long you've been parked at a meter or how long your pizza has been in the oven. The possibilities are literally endless. Most dive watches today include an external bezel. They were first used by Rolex and Blancpain in 1953 and 1954. This is still the most simple and user-friendly approach. There are still some disadvantages for this though, whether it includes wear from debris, sand, or salt getting between the case and the bezel, or the possibility of accidentally moving or damaging the bezel. As for internal bezels, they are located inside the watch and is thus protected by the crystal, giving the watch a more contemporary and elegant look. This internal bezel may only be operated with a crown. Sometimes the watch even comes with an additional crown for this feature. However, this means there is an additional opening in the case, leaving the watch to be more prone to water leakage and other damaging effects. Now we'll show you how to use this rotating bezel. Say we wanted to set the timer for 30 minutes. We would move this main marker on the bezel 30 minutes ahead of the minute hand. So we would rotate it all the way to the 10 marker. Now when this minute hand reaches the main marker, you'll know it has been 30 minutes. Hello and thanks for watching. If you enjoyed that video, make sure to give it a like and check out our similar videos right here. If you want to stay up to date with the new and interesting content that we create, you can subscribe to our channel, which is linked right here. And lastly, if you need any help with your watch, make sure to go to our Time's Ticking website, which is linked right here. See you next time.